All right, so let's go ahead and show you how to install brushes in ON1 Photo Raw. First thing you're going to do is click on File. You're going to come to Manage Extras. This is going to bring you to a dialog box. The very last option here is where brush shapes is. Now, I will note that any other extra that you have inside of ON1 Photo Raw, you can upload into these. So if you have backgrounds, you can import them there. Different textures outside of the ones that ON1 offers, you can also import there. But today we're gonna focus on the brushes. As you can see, I've already uploaded 2 packs of brushes to my ON1 Photo Raw. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on import, and this is the same thing that you'll do. It'll bring you to a box that is similar to this, or you'll have to navigate to wherever your free brushes are, or the brushes that you want to upload are. I'm going to add these smoke brushes. I'm going to click on it, hit open, and it's going to ask me, what category do you want to save this under? I recommend that you categorize all your brushes based off of the characteristic of the brush. So this one is a smoke brush. I'm going to add category, and it takes the title from the brush itself and puts it in there. Now I don't need the numbers, and really I don't even need Photoshop in there. That's just in the name file, so I'm just going to leave it as smoke brushes. And now anytime that I upload smoke brushes, I can click on this folder and upload them into that category because it's in my drop down for the category selection. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then ON1's going to do some thinking, try and figure out where or what it's going to do, or upload the brushes. So we'll give that a second. All right, so now ON1 is done with the upload, and as you can see, it says import job has processed 1 item and that there were no errors. You can go ahead and hit close. You can see that all of the brushes have been uploaded into ON1 Photo Raw. So now we can close this as well, and we'll open up an image here. Okay, I'm sorry, my computer is running really slow today. Now to get to your brushes, you'll click on local. And then in the top of once you clicked on local, in the top of your adjustment or your options bar, you'll be able to click on shape. Click on the actual shape, not the letters. And right now I have the round brush selected, but if you scroll down, you'll start to see different brushes underneath texture in most cases. So right here, those are the fog brushes I uploaded, or some fog brushes that I uploaded. And then right here are some painter brushes, and you can see how those categories are playing in now. And then I just uploaded the smoke brushes, so here's the smoke brush, and I'm ready to maybe put a little bit of smoke coming off of this this cup of hot cocoa. Now I'm gonna make it like neon, and it just gives you an opportunity to add some extra effects into your images that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. And then if I wanted to kind of let me Command Z and then Shift X, so I wanted to undo, that's what the Command Z was, and then Shift X so I can change my brush. I'm going to go from paint in to paint out, so that way I can just paint that away and make it look a little bit more natural. Now, obviously, it does not look very natural because of the color, but I can always adjust the color to whatever I want it to be. So if I want it to be more of a steam-like color, and then just adjust the opacity. And yeah, so there you have it. Got a little bit of smoke coming out of my hot cocoa. Again, does not look very realistic. I can mess around with it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you are new here, consider subscribing. I release content on a regular basis, teaching people how to use ON1 Photo Raw so you can get your creative vision out and into the world. So until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating.